Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the video swap in DeepFakeMaker.io. So all you have to do is to sign in and click on the video face swap. Then you'll be brought to a page where you can actually swap faces with an original video. So all you have to do is to click on this. Okay, wait for the page to set up. So once the page is set up, you can just click on swap face for video, and then you'll be brought to this page where you get to upload the video you want, and you can upload as high as 30 minutes as indicated here. The max you can upload is 500 MB. Now you can now upload a picture or a photo of the target face you want to replace with the original video. So once you do that, you can now click on swap now. So that's it guys, and then once it will take some time, and then you'll be able to download it in this area. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.